Namaste दोस्तों, आपका हमारा जिंदगी में स्वागत है. We are actually on the way now back to Jaipur, just checking out of the hotel with our 10,000 bags. और अभी मुझे लगता है 7 AM कुछ भी. Actually we were supposed to leave at 5. But we overslept. I feel so terrible. You overslept too.
I know, but you are the first one.
Are you going to click today? Anyway, so kal tha. Hum bola tha to the driver that we're gonna come at 5 AM and then we damn overslept at 6:30. We woke up and we're like, oh my god, it's 6:30. So then we got really quickly ready and abhi hamara driver jayega. Oopsie. Anyway, I'm so sorry. Okay, they actually were stopping us because they thought we haven't paid, but payment ho gaya actually. It's like if you're already late. Oh my god, my stuff is falling and falling. If you're already late, then like you got stopped everywhere. That's crazy. Payment is actually ho gaya, but they have to check it double so that we are not running away, you know. What did you say it later?
Yeah, we are late. You are asking me when I have some time.
Oh, actually, Mr. Machita, you wanna have a chai or party? Like he put the baggage out of the hotel and he saw we were already late, and I thought he's like asking us if we wanna stay and have something, and he did. And I understand that Arjun was saying later.
Better bole to next time, na?
Yeah. Okay. Chalo. Actually, it's morning time and there's so much like crowd already. Like so many people are awake. Dekho.
Yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it go.
I was just telling you, like 5-6 months ago, there were 10 million people came here in this river to take the bath on the Kumbh Mela. Yeah, 10 million.
Bahut zyada.
I think only all Germany has 10 million people.
It was already so many when we were there.
Yeah.
But 10 million, bahut zyada. Where they were going? Like,
I don't know.
Arre wah. One thing I want to say, if you are not an early bird, like if you're also a long sleeper like us, then I really can recommend you to get up early once and see the morning vibes. Like, I don't know, since we are traveling, we have to get up early. And then seeing like everyone is awake, everyone is preparing everything and like having a good mood, and like, you know, like the energy is like rising, you know, like the sun is rising. I really like it. Like, I wish I could be able to get up early every day. Maybe when I'm old. I don't know, old people
When
are
you're
always
old?
awake early. So Sono is playing already. And Arjun has his Jaljeera.
Cheers.
And there we are, on the way back to Jaipur.
Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that ass be poking out them jeans.
So we have found a little food court here with a McDonald's. So we definitely have made a break to get some McDonald's
It's a
food.
midway, like, and the name of this call is Namaste Midway.
Really?
Namaste, yeah. So Namaste Julie is at Namaste Midway.
ये peacock chaser.
Let's go home to bed now. It's more than just a game for two. It's made for me.
मुझे पता है it's totally weird to film in the toilet, but look at this.
And you, I stay in your head now until you're mine. Let's go home to bed now. It's more than just a game for two. It's made for me and you. I stay in your head now.
Look, there's Bambi.
He's looking at us. He's like, why you are stopping? Let me eat the food. Or maybe I want to do some business. Okay guys, so now is the new update. Oh my god, look at me. How do I look? Is there something wrong in the camera setting? Okay, now better. So we actually crossed right now. We came from Haridwar and we are right now, we crossed Delhi and Gurgaon, and we crossed the Manesar, and now we are eating the food here somewhere. It's a nice restaurant, nice place.
We actually have been there last
Yeah.
time when we've been to Delhi.
Yeah.
Because it's on the same route and
Yeah.
it was very nice. They had
Yeah.
a good sandwich.
They are good sandwiches.
Okay, दोस्तों, so अभी हम restaurant में हैं, and actually we didn't know there's like an inside restaurant because it's like a huge space outside. And last time when we were on the way to Delhi, or from Delhi back to Jaipur, but anyway, so there we were sitting outside. It was super hot and we were so sweating, and the sandwich was really nice, but you know we could not enjoy it properly. And now we are sitting inside the AC, so we are very happy, and we ordered dahi puri, not dahi puri, raj kachori, but same. By the way, मैंने read किया comments here earlier, and I saw that people were saying like, oh my god, I'm so excited, where are you gonna be tomorrow? I feel so guilty because we are going back to Jaipur. It's okay, in Jaipur there are also things, I don't know, we miss home a lot, so that's why we really have to go and make some little break at home, and then we will see where our ways are going. Let's see, देखते हैं. If you have any suggestions, मुझे बताओ.
And actually we wanted to go to Lucknow, but Lucknow, like there's that section 144 is there, so I don't know, I mean I don't want to say anything, but I don't want to get stuck on the road or highway because of the protests and stuff like that. I don't want to say anything about that, but it's like we don't want to get stuck, and we thought okay, let's go home. It will be much better. Otherwise we'll go to Lucknow, and there were 2-3 places in UP as well. There were like, you know, a lot of there were at least 10 days were left for our traveling, but now we have to end it here, so जो भी होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. Okay guys, so actually they are throwing us out from the restaurant now because Sonu was sleeping on the floor like really peacefully. He did not bark, he did not do anything. He was just sitting under the tables. Nobody even saw him. Like nobody. It was like nothing. Okay, like nobody could have even seen. Nobody was bothered. There was no issue. But the guy came here and said pets are not allowed. I'm like, okay, but like he's not doing anything. But he was super rude, like super rude. He don't have any way to talk with the people. He don't know how to talk with the people. Seriously, man. So I'm like, okay, I will leave your restaurant. I will go and eat somewhere else. That will be much better for me. So we are packed up and going somewhere else to eat food. So that will be much better ना. लड़ाई झगड़े में क्यों पड़ना अपने को? जब आपको किसी की इज्जत करनी नहीं आती तो हम क्यों करें? हम भी कहीं और जगह खाना खा लेंगे, उससे अच्छा तो यही है. Okay guys, so now I will explain actually what happened. Julie is in the washroom. She is using the washroom. Actually what happened, we came with Sonu. Nobody said anything. They saw him, and I don't know what happened later. We sit there and we then yeah, then we sit there, we ordered our food, and then we were like, you know, Julie opened the water bottle, we were drinking the water bottle, and right before, like, you know, after 10-15 minutes the guy came in. He was like very rude, like, you know, sir, how dare you to take the pet inside? And I'm like, how dare you? Like, what do you mean by how dare you? And he was like, pets are not allowed here.
I saw it, we walked in with the pet.
Yeah, we walk in the pet and everything was fine. Like, you know, if you tell me before, like, it's fine. If I'm hiding it, and if you don't see it,
and there's
a
nothing
different
written
issue.
out of the restaurant which says pets are not allowed.
Yeah, at least come to me and talk nice.
Yeah.
Like, sir, pets are not allowed. We have not to return it outside that pets are not allowed. But still now I am talking to you and I'm telling you pets are not allowed. So maybe you can take the pet out. If we have the outside restaurant, you can eat the food there. Different story. I have no issues going out.
Yeah.
But like, be nice. If you like, you know, if you be nice, you can win the
Being
world.
nice is everything in the world, yes.
So I don't know.
love.
Now we are just waiting for a driver because he's eating food there inside.
He doesn't
So
know.
yeah, he doesn't know, and we don't want to disturb him. Like, okay, you can eat the food. It's fine. So maybe somewhere else on the way we'll just have something.
Anyway, now we are back in the car, and we are actually looking for another restaurant so we can have something to eat because we are really hungry. We haven't eaten anything. Did we eat anything?
No.
We didn't. right?
We eat something. I think.
What did we eat?
Did we?
What
कुछ
was it?
खाया क्या आज अपन ने?
हम
हाँ?
भूल गए यार.
आज अपन ने कुछ नहीं खाया ना सुबह से.
हाँ, McDonald's.
McDonald's, हाँ, McDonald's. I was thinking like there was something we ate. Yeah.
Meanwhile, I'm gonna show you the wonderful view of the desert. Yeah, the Autobahn in the desert. Actually, we missed the mountains already.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
I miss that cold vibe, like, you know, the cold.
It's so hot here. It's like, you know, winter to summer. But सब कुछ ठीक है. I'm very excited for Jaipur. I really miss my friends and I miss my home. And yeah, I'm excited. I don't know. There are every time new opportunities, new days, new adventures. Yeah. अरे वाह भाई साहब, देखो फूल्स और बहुत ज़्यादा. देखो I'm really amazed of this guy who is leading this whole bulls. Like, huge respect. He can control them. I cannot even control my own dog. One. Okay, dostos, so we made another stop in another restaurant, and here it's fine to have dogs. He's right now here making his business somewhere in the trees, and Arjun and me, we are waiting hamara chai ke liye.
So now Julie is drinking a tea and I'm just drinking my lassi. And she was trying to vlog here since last 10 minutes and she's stucking all the time. Okay guys, chai pee ro, chai pee ro, chai pee ro, chai pee ro, chai pee ro. I don't know why she's stucking here, but anyway, it was so
Arjun
fun.
explained to me it's there's another dog and Sonu is a little bit
Yeah, barking on it.
he wants to get him,
Yeah.
but it's a big dog, so
Yeah.
no. Anyway, so Arjun explained me it's pee,
Yeah.
tea,
Pee rahe ho.
tea, pee rahe ho.
Yeah, chai pee rahe
But
ho.
it confused me because it's pee rahe ho.
Yeah, pee is
It's
not peshab. Pee is not susu. Pee rahe ho is pina.
By the way दोस्तों, एक और बात मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ. मुझे उम्मीद आप लोग नहीं, like that you don't misunderstood it earlier when when we were a little bit tensed about Sonu, that restaurant we're saying no. See, मेरे लिए doggy pet नहीं है, मेरे लिए doggy family है. And where I'm coming from, like Germany or Western, like Europe itself, I was traveling with my dog in Germany all over Europe, and I never had any issue in any restaurant or any hotel with a dog. But here in India it's a little bit different, so I have to get used to that. I don't know, it felt bad, like it was very embarrassing because everyone was looking at us and they literally thrown us out of the hotel. I'm sorry that I'm turning here my rounds, but Son is like cycling around me. And by the way, that bed where I'm standing next to right now, in India ये totally normal है, क्योंकि ये Indian है. लेकिन in Germany or in Europe, that bed would be so expensive, क्योंकि ये totally antique है. ये बहुत मस्त है.
Look at the mountain here. Small.
Yeah.
Very, very small.
अभी हम सब भूख लगी है मिर्ची के लिए. And we are looking for mirchi, yeah, but there is no mirchi. Like usually these guys here they have mirchi, but now they don't have.
Yeah.
Now all are coming. Mirchi वाला. Mirchi. उसके पास नींबू, उसके पास पानी, वो मिर्ची नहीं है.
मिर्ची वाला है.
मिर्ची वाला.
आ गया.
Oh, मिर्ची वाला आ गया. बहुत स्वादिष्ट लग रहा है.
समोसा लेना?
उसको पूछ रही था समोसा चाहिए, हमारे पास समोसा है.
He's awake, he's listening. Oh, somebody called my name.
समोसा.
मिर्ची दीजिए.
Thank you. मिर्ची कैसी लगा है?
अच्छा मिर्ची.
बहुत अच्छा मिर्ची है. I love street food. It's so funny. Like since I'm in India, I'm eating street food, and never something happened. I'm so happy. I love street food.
Drinks coming.
अभी हम बैक जयपुर में है और ये आलू टिक्की है. ये हम बहुत याद रखते हैं. हाँ, बहुत ज़्यादा. Actually हमारा फेवरेट स्ट्रीट फूड शॉप है. हमारा नेबरहुड भी देखो हंस के रहा है. So yeah, अभी हम खाना खाते हैं और ये के बाद हम हमारा घर जाएगा. We are back home.
Home! Yay!
Was it a dance?
Actually, we were already inside. I came inside, I fixed the camera, I turned on the lights, and then we are coming again.
We are home!
We are home! Yes, I miss this. I miss those sofas, I miss this dining, I miss that kitchen, and I miss that bed.
देखो सोनू बहुत हैप्पी है. अभी हमारा गाँव में है.